Hello everyone, Crochet Kit for Beginners, a 73-piece crochet kit with crochet hooks, yarn set, and a variety of additional accessories, such as needles, is a comprehensive option for both beginners and experienced crocheters. This type of kit is likely to include a wide range of crochet hook sizes, yarns in different colors and materials, as well as other essentials such as a tapestry needle, measuring tape, and scissors. The included canvas tote bag can be useful to store and transport your crochet supplies. Additionally, the kit should come with instructions for multiple projects and patterns, allowing you to practice different techniques and styles. This type of kit would be a great option for anyone looking to get started with crochet or for experienced crocheters looking for a comprehensive set of supplies. The 4-plank mass 3625 easy-to-do crochet kit is a DIY arts and crafts yarn kit for kids and teens, boys and girls. This kit is designed to be easy to use and suitable for beginners who are just learning to crochet. The kit includes instructions and materials to create a specific project. This kit provides a fun and engaging way for kids and teens to learn a new skill while also being creative. It includes all the basic materials necessary to complete a project, making it a great gift option for children who are interested in learning to crochet. As the brand and exact materials might vary, it's best to check the package contents to ensure it has everything needed to complete the project, and that instructions are easy too. The BeCraftee Crochet Hooks Kit is a 31-piece set that includes 9 ergonomic crochet hook sizes, 6 yarn needles, and additional knitting and crochet supplies. The set comes with a carrying case for easy storage and transport. The ergonomic crochet hooks in this set are designed to reduce hand fatigue and provide a comfortable grip, making it easier to crochet for longer periods of time. The included yarn needles are useful for weaving in ends and seaming pieces together. The additional supplies included in this kit can vary, but it can include such things as stitch markers, scissors, and measuring tape. This kit is a great option for both beginners and experienced crocheters, as it includes a range of essential tools and supplies in a convenient carrying case. Thanks for watching. If you need more information for these products, if you want to purchase, check out the description. If you like the video, then like, comment, and subscribe.